Running at full ridge, 2500, braking in the engine. Guys, 212 Charlie Foxtrot, departing on 17 miles.
Addison, 642, Kilo Mike, turning left across off 17 miles.
Everything's in the green. Line up for the runway. Hey, airspeed's already building up. 45 knots.
Traffic 642 Kilo Mike, your target pattern to the north.
60 knots, little back pressure here. Trim forward here. Extra full ridge, full throttle in, climb looks good. 70 knot, 5 knot climb rate. Bring your nose down just a little bit, flatten out the climb. Guys, into Charlie Foxtrot, departing crosswind, departing pattern to the north of Madison. Okay, we'll switch over to approach. Airplane Jackson approach, Cessna 212 Charlie Foxtrot, out of Madison, altitude 900. Flight bound to your airspace, we're headed to Winona.
Number 212 Charlie Foxtrot, Jackson, approach, roger, squawk 0125.
0125. To Charlie Foxtrot. 25. And we are on ALT.
Number 2 Kilo Mike, radar contact 2 miles northeast of Madison Airport, Jackson, altimeter 3003, say altitude. Altitude 2,460. Number 2 Kilo Mike, thank you. Number 212 Charlie Foxtrot, radar contact a mile east of the Madison Airport, Jackson, altimeter 3003, say altitude leading.
3003, climbing through 1,500, we're going to cruise at 2,500 to Charlie Foxtrot. And approach to Charlie Foxtrot. I just want you to realize how hard it is not to say 19 or 43 Lima.
Oh, just so you switched over to, I was wondering, I heard, Alan, you had sold your airplane.
Yeah, airport politics.
Are you going to get you another one?
Negative. I'm going to be cluttering up your airspace with gliders.
Okay, well, I sure hate to not see you out there flying like you were before.
I'll be doing it at least once a month.
Well, we appreciate everything you were doing with your film and all that and everything. It was really good to see it. I know for a lot of people here from a training aspect, it was really good to kind of see it from your perspective.
Awesome. Well, this is going on there too.
Great.
I always appreciate all your help.
How long has it been since you sold your plane?
About 2 months.
I know you're missing it.
Yeah, understatement. Bye first.
Jackson approach, my name's 369 Romeo Bravo with a 5 rep. Number 369 Romeo Bravo approach. Number 9 Romeo Bravo approach. The bases of the scattered layer through here are about 3,800 to 4,000, but it's a lot less turbulent than up in the middle of them. The tops are probably at 7,000, 7,500. Okay, so do you have contact with the ground right now? Most of the time. Okay, thank you so much. Number 1, flight to landing runway 16, flight VFR, contact Hawkins Tower, 119.65. Number 2 Kilo Mike, leaving class Charlie airspace, flight VFR, radar service terminated, frequency change approved. You have a good day. 2 Kilo Mike, roger, thank you. Number 2 Charlie Foxtrot, flight VFR, radar service terminated, frequency change approved. We'll see you later on.
2 Charlie Foxtrot, welcome VFR. We'll see you on the return. Okay, thanks. Thanks a lot.
Going 2285 now.
Ready on board?
Affirmative, 2 Kilo Mike.
2 Charlie Foxtrot, we can talk normal. I understand it.
Say again?
We can talk plain English.
Okay.
Not a bad ride. It was a little better than I expected. This thing's screaming. 130 knots indicator, right below the yellow arc I'm at. Mike is clear 2-1, Winona. Airspeed looks good. Notch flat, last notch here. Okay, we look good. 70 knot final, 68 knot final. Getting a good sink brake. That's fine, but we're going to drop it. Airspeed looks good. Airspeed looks good. 70 knots. 68 knot final. Looks good. Excellent. Slow, airspeed. Touch power here. Man, that was a flat landing. Flaps go up. It fly to the ground, but it's flat.